Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explain how to convert miles to kilometers. This conversion can be quite useful. Whether you're planning a road trip, studying geography, or just curious about international measurements. Let's start with the basics. A mile, often represented as mi, is a unit of distance commonly used in the United States and a few other countries. A kilometer, denoted as km, is a metric unit of distance used worldwide. Now, here's the key part. 1 mile is equal to approximately 1.60934 kilometers. To convert miles to kilometers, simply multiply the number of miles by 1.60934. For example, if you're driving a car and want to know how many kilometers you've traveled, take the number of miles driven and multiply it by 1.60934. Let's say you've driven 50 miles. That would be about 80.467 kilometers. Let's try another scenario. If you're planning a marathon and the distance is 26.2 miles, you can convert it to kilometers by multiplying 26.2 miles by 1.60934. That's roughly 42.195 kilometers. And there you have it. Converting miles to kilometers is as simple as multiplying by 1.60934. With a little practice, you'll become adept at making this conversion, making it easier to work with international measurements. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. For more informative conversion guides and math tips, be sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.